much are these things? They all sold?
Ladies and gentlemen, here's our number 6.
Everything sold.
1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ8 convertible. Powering the Mark III, it's a 3.0 liter inline 6-inch 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Included in the
Come on, let's go to the auction.
The British Motor Industry Heritage Trust Certificate, service records from 2018 to present. Soft top boot cover as well. Here's our number 676.1. Included in the seller owner's manual, a British Motor Industry Heritage Trust Certificate, service records from 2018 to now. 72, 75, 25, take 76, you want to do that? 75, 76, 75, 76 pounds on, 76 pounds an hour. Sold! $75,000 total. Here's our number 677, rolling up 1997 Toyota Supra Turbo Anniversary Edition. 15th Anniversary Supra Twin Turbo with a Targa roof. It was manufactured in Japan in August of 1997. It's equipped with a 2997cc Toyota 2JZ GT.
3,500.
He said he could cut it down for 18.
Silver?
It's not silver, that's white gold.
Who's wearing white gold?
You know, I can't have real jewelry. I'm allergic to it. He said he would play. He said I could do rose gold or white gold because he know what I'm talking about by being allergic to it. But he has gold. I would want it a gold color, but I can't wear it.
White, yellow, rose, whatever you want. Whatever kind
Still at the car show.
See, that's his. His is
We're
that,
looking
like
at
that.
gold finger,
This chain, the rope chain.
jewelry.
Yeah, you got a rope, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
You want a rope like that? You know what I designed for ladies with the rope is tricolor. White, yellow, and rose gold. Look at this. Very, very unique. You're not gonna see it elsewhere. Look at this. There's 3 colors of gold.
Yeah, I don't.
How much are your chains, buddy?
All different prices, sir, depending on the weight, you know. They go by how heavy they are and how solid they are. Tell me which one you like, I can give you the best price.
I knew he was going to come pick out
This is the back chain, the latest design. Here, feel the weight of this. Look at the look of that. Here.
What's that, a Franco?
Yep.
That's nice.
They ain't kind of point.
You can try that to a, you can tie it to a brick and hold it.
Yeah.
That's what happened to me. Yes. That guy there is
Okay.
I can do that for you for 7,500.
You got some weight on it.
Yep.
Yep. A lot of weight on it.
You got a card?
Yeah, we here to buy a car, man.
I know, you get a car and a chain too. Why not?
Yeah.
You get both. That's my card from Alaska, but you have my cell phone. I'm in California and New York both. So whatever you want, just give me a holler.
Okay.
Which car are you looking at?
We don't know yet. We're trying to hurry up down there.
Okay.
See what we could
But
choose from.
you buy one from the auction or you get one of the ones here?
I got money on me, man. But wherever it's at, we gonna get it.
Here, brother. Let me show you something. Right? You want to make money on something? Let me show it to you. And forget anybody else. I'll buy it back from you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
talk about nobody else, I talk about me, right? Let me see your wrist.
No, you put it on her wrist.
Let me see your wrist.
That's for a man.
No, I have ladies too. I'll show you.
But that's a man. You can put it on.
Yeah, I don't want it on my wrist.
30 carat diamonds, 18 carat white gold. Okay. This today, if I make it, cost me over 50.
50?
50,000. BS quality F color. Because I made this about 6 years ago, I can give it to you at old gold and diamond price because I'm a diamond dealer, you know. I don't change my price. My cost is already there. I don't change it every week. Look at that. I can give you this for only 39,000. My cost to make today is 50. You wear it for 2 years, if you take it to any jeweler, he pay you more than that.
That's not bad.
I have a big rock, I have a 10 carat diamond. Tell me how much.
10 carat diamond. Oh my God. Look at this.
Those are big.
What?
But every size, you tell me what you like.
I like this guy.
Listen, you got money, I got merchandise.
I like this guy.
My hands are fat.
No, size it, look at that.
I like that. Yellow diamond?
Yellow diamond,
Canary?
natural. Yes, canary, 10.84 carat. It's certified for 450,000. I give it to you for 190. Cheaper than the car, and you can buy a few cars and make money on it too.
190.
You can buy a few cars and
That
make
thing
money.
look
man.
3D. Wow.
But that's just too much to walk around with on your fingers.
Sweetheart, when you get used to it, right? Okay, that's too big, right? Let me show you the one
Yeah,
that's not big.
that's too much.
Here, sweetheart, let me show you a classic one.
Yeah,
That's not too much that you're gonna enjoy.
I like the bigger one.
Look at that.
Yeah, my fingers are fat.
Yeah, but look at that. Once we size it, all we gotta do is size it. This is, I mean, I have stuff in every price point. You tell me, Sam, show me something for a couple of grand that is a good deal.
Where are you based out of? California?
That's
California
how
and
you gonna
New
have to
York,
get back if you break up. That's what
Okay.
that is.
Well, some people listen. Some people think that, you know.
I'll tell you what, man, I like your diamonds though.
Yeah?
The jewelers out here in Vegas, not
No,
so
it's
good.
I sell to them, only a few of them carry this quality. The rest of them carry junk. Because see,
Yeah.
people here, right? People come gamble, right? They lose money, right? And they put on whatever shit
Yeah.
they have. Or, you know, that's the problem. People that are addicted to gambling, right? They come with a $50,000 diamond.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, they sell it for 5 grand, 10 grand. They're like, you know what? I need to make my money back. But
Yeah.
the casino never giving you your money back.
Hell no.
They ain't built on.
You got his card, Chanel?
Yes, in my pocket.
Okay. I'm going to shop with you, man. What's your name?
Sam,
Sam Phil.
nice to meet you, Phil.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
I got every price.
I see, man.
Go get
I
your car,
see. I'm
go get
loving
your
it.
car, I'll just sell you seat covers, okay?
I'm loving it, my
The
man.
whole car. I just charge you for the seat cover.
Okay. All right, we coming back. Thank you. Let's finish going over there. I think I registered to win a car. They gave me a t-shirt. I don't know what it was. We going down there. Hey, buddy. What is that? To register to win a car?
Oh, this line right here?
Yeah.
Well, you register to win a $75,000 vehicle allowance for FCA.
Oh, okay.
As well as you get a free T-shirt.
I got it.
Oh, you got that already?
Yeah.
You want one of the thrill rides outside yet?
No.
That's the best part of it.
The thrill ride?
Yeah. So outside, like basically, if you go out these doors, whatever, go to the right a little bit, and then go outside. You'll see the big Dodge trailer. It's huge, right?
Uh-huh.
They're ripping around. They got Hellcats out. They're ripping around on the track.
But now let me drive it?
Liability, man.
Oh,
But
okay, so you just ride
you ride in
along.
the car with the pro drivers, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You get to burn up someone else's tires, you know?
I got you. I
They're
got you.
smoking tires out.
I thought they was gonna let me do the donuts.
So you guys are already registered. So just
Yeah.
when you go outside, go on the one side of the trailer.
Okay.
They'll check you in, just jump right in line. It's a 15-minute wait.
My man. My man.
Have fun, guys.
Thanks a lot,
You
boss.
guys will like
Stay
it,
cool.
for sure.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
Like gadgets.
Not really. She do.
Like music, you travel sometimes. They make movies.
I don't want to put it on because my hair is. No, I have the new.
One of the best sides.
They've been on a lot of heads today too. No, I'm good. I'll take your word for it. What about them though?
It's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus.
I don't have that one. Which one do you have?
iPhone. iPhone.
iPhone? I'll show you for now. iPhone what? 6, 7, 8?
11.
11.
Oh, 12. I don't know what it is.
Pro Max?
Yeah, no, the regular one.
Alright, let me just explain you. So, it's on the phone. It's a charging phone for 3 days on the go.
Oh, wow, okay.
Best charging case, you know.
Okay.
Doing the last day promotion, so if you guys buy one, you get a 2 more for free. Doing the last day promotion.
How much are they?
It's a Vegas promotion because they're local here on the business. They cost $400.
Oh, no.
You get it to
I'll talk about these.
This one is $79. So just that's promotion.
Okay. We'll see you when we come back around. Thank you, buddy. How you doing? This is pretty neat. How do you get in the back?
Oh, it has a little.
Oh, so no door back here, huh?
This will move up if
Oh.
the car's turned when the car's turned on and move back.
Okay.
So the base model for this one starts up at 48.
Okay.
This is a 2-door. The base model for the 4-door, which is on the other side, starts up at 51.
51.
Right.
Let me see that one. Thank you. How you doing, buddy?
Great.
What's this? Take people hunting?
Yeah. Yeah, we do hunting adventures is what we can call it.
Nah.
Heck yeah.
Good stuff.
We're out of Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Sonora, Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah, we hunt all types of species.
Now, how much do it cost?
Depends on what we're looking at. A lot of our deer to elk hunts are going to be between that $4,000 and $6,000 range.
Okay.
We have a pamphlet here with some pricing.
All right.
Arizona and New Mexico, you have to put in for like a type of like a lottery. And in Colorado and Mexico, we do more like landowner tags where you don't have to do the lottery, so we just get you that tag and get you out in the field.
Got you.
But we're all about putting on a good experience, showing you how to get it done. And it doesn't matter if you've never hunted before or you're an experienced hunter.
You can hunt mountain lion?
Mountain lion, bear,
Wow.
elk, deer. Yeah, so we do that within October to about February, and we can glass or use our binoculars to find lions, but usually we use hounds. Then
Okay.
you ride a horse and a mule, and
Like on Mountain Men on the History Channel.
Yeah.
That's my show, man. All right. Now, I guess you got to register for this or something like that, or how do it work?
so let me get you. Let's do this. I'm gonna have you put your name,
Okay.
address, or not your address,
right.
telephone, my friend.
Okay.
And I'll get you on this newsletter,
My man.
and we'll get you a bunch of information, keep you in the loop. We have a team of
Uh-huh. Look at this boat. We don't have no water. But damn it, look at the boat.